We are well into our new year, and if you're looking to eat a little healthier this March, guess what? It's National Nutrition Month, and today we're joined by registered dietitian Amy Goodson, who's going to share with us the benefits of adding some nuts and dates to our plate. Hi, Amy. I love dates.
Hey, Clark. Yeah, anytime we're talking about adding nutrition, so many people think it has to be kind of boring. So I always challenge people to take your favorite food and then add nutrients, right? So like if you love pizza, think of making it with fruits and vegetables. So you said you love dates, me too. And one of my favorites is actually Natural Delights Medjool Dates. They are a whole fresh fruit, and they're actually packed with 16 essential vitamins and minerals. And they can add that pop of natural sweetness to really any dish. So today I have added them to pizza. So it's like a little sweet and a little savory. And to make this pizza, you start by brushing it with olive oil, add a little mozzarella cheese, the fresh dates, pop it in the oven at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes, then add some fresh arugula and a little bit of balsamic glaze. Now, a little bonus is that the fiber found in dates actually helps you feel fuller longer after eating. So this is a pizza that satisfies, let me tell you. And I also love using dates as another little twist to swapping out refined sugars. So many people in the afternoon want a snack and they head to a vending machine or look for something sugary. So I am going to challenge you in National Nutrition Month to get rid of the refined sugars and swap it with Medjool dates. Make energy bites. You can make these with nuts and seeds. You make them with fruit, coconut, even some chocolate chips. So these are a perfect solution to power through the afternoon. So whether you're adding Medjool dates to a dish or to a snack, be sure to check out Natural Delights Medjool Dates at H-E-B at Central Market and then online at naturaldelights.com.
Amy, really quick, those bites, they look so delicious. Also, I love the concept of adding nutrients to your favorite dishes. I feel like when we're talking about health and nutrition, we always think, oh, well, I have to take something out or remove something and things are going to be bland. But those little bites that you have in front of you, are those no bake?
No bake, girl. All I did was pop all the ingredients in a food processor. So it's all about making it simple too, because that's what's going to make it so easy for people. All right, now Clark, I know y'all are in San Antonio. Are you a taco girl?
I'm such a taco girl, and it's my guilty pleasure. I've been trying to cut back on red meat, of course, for Health Awareness Month, but do I have to give up my tacos?
All right, I have got a taco twist for you today, and they are wonderful pistachio street tacos. So this is a win because pistachios have 6 grams of complete plant-based protein and 3 grams of fiber per serving. So I used pistachios and sauteed them with hominy and a little bit of cumin and chili powder, topped it with some avocado slaw and homemade pickled red onions. Now, Clark, the fat found in pistachios is that better for you fat. So it's that monounsaturated fat. So you get this trio of nutrients, little protein, fat, and fiber that helps you feel fuller longer. And these are like a plant-forward taco that everyone's gonna love. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have mine for dinner tonight.
It looks so good. I love pickled veggies too. It just adds that pop of freshness. I know there are a lot of taco purists out there watching who are like, what? Why are they putting pistachios in tacos? But that looks really, really good. And it looks seasoned and everything. Where can people learn about more recipes that you have and maybe some inspiration?
Yeah, so you can visit naturaldelights.com, check out wonderful pistachios. And one more thing I have to introduce you to for dessert, Clark, wonderful pistachios are a great snack nut, but Natural Delights also has these little mini medjools. And these are a simple, wholesome, bite-sized, naturally sweet little snack. So these are great for a snack board. They're made with dried fruit, nuts, and seeds, and coconut. And you can eat 4 of these little guys for only 150 calories. They've got fiber, potassium. So for a dessert, for National Nutrition Month, these are a great way to get that boost of natural energy. And so I like to tell people, when you think about eating better, we can still keep dessert on the table by enjoying some higher protein snack nuts and then some naturally sweet little treats with the Natural Delights Mini Medjool.
Yes, and you don't have to give up the flavor. You can still kind of satiate that sweet tooth and get that dessert in, but it's so good for you. Amy, thank you so much for being on our show. It's always so good to see you. I hope that you're doing well.
Thank you. Have a great day.